Hi, Colin here, and this is Shine Automotive, and this is a big one. That thing there, the Micro 5, has sold. So this video is over like the last 4 or 5 weeks. If you've never seen anything to do about this video, I'll stick a playlist up above now, one of them ones there, and you can see what we did. Basically, we got an old MX5, we did it up, we got local companies and people to help out. So everyone that helped out and donated to fix that up, I'll stick a link below and a thank you down below in the comments. Basically, fixed it up, and all the money we made from it, we gave to the NHS. So yeah, and we were going to ring up and give the money over the phone, but me and Sam went down to the hospital and give him a check in person. So yeah, we'll crack on with the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, tell your aunties, your uncles, your grandmas, your cats, your dogs, tell everyone. We want 1,000 subscribers before Christmas, so I'd really help for your support. So all the people that have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. So let's crack on with this video and let's go back in time. I'll put a little clip up now of the Micro 5, so if you haven't seen it before, obviously check out the playlist and let's crack on with the video. I hope we're alright. Right, let's crack on. So the Micro 5, that's what we're going to call it. We're not going to call it an MX5. This is the Micro 5. So it's going to have new disc and pads all the way around, new tyres, all the wheels are going to get powder coated. So I hope you enjoy following us on this journey, and if you want to get involved, pop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, then you won't miss what's going on. So all the money that we're going to make is all off to the NHS. So let's get cracked up.
It's me, your favorite Lord and Savior, #Jesus, and you have tuned into Shine Automotive's YouTube channel. Let's see what Colin and Sam have been doing with the Michael X5 build they're doing to raise money for the NHS. Hope you enjoy this one. Peace be with you. Oh yes, have a beautiful time. Now roll the titles.
It's a miserable day and it's raining. Let's get the garage open. Oh, let's get the alarm turned off first. Brew time. Well, good morning, and it's Saturday morning, early morning. The video is going out tonight. This is how busy we've been, that we've been working that hard on it. I didn't finish till midnight last night for what I needed to get to before we could start doing the good bits and putting the good parts on. So I'm going to go through everything, and luckily everything arrived yesterday, absolutely everything. Stuff we've been trying to get hold of it, even like a cam belt and stuff, has been an absolute nightmare with lockdown. So I hope you're all alright. Let's crack on with this. I'll have my brew and we'll go through everything we've got and what we've done so far, because yeah, you're going to enjoy this one, so stay till the end. Right, let's go and have a look underneath the Mazda. Ooh, I called it Mazda. I'm going to get told off by Sam. The Micro 5. Let's go and have a look underneath the Micro 5. See what we've been up to. Right, so what we've been doing is we've had to stone chip it all underneath, so we actually stripped it all down to make sure we got rid of all the rot and rough. Now we had to repair this bit of sill all the way along on the inside, all the way around there, and when it taps round. Now it had repair on the outside of the sills before, which we'll go on to now. So I cut it back and actually welded it flush in, then smoothed it out, and then it's been re-stone chipped all the way along. Moving on, yeah, we had a bit of a nightmare as well. Let's show you this. So when we were going through it, checking, we knew we had one snapped coil spring, which was there. Then we came across another snapped coil spring. Then we came across another. So we had a look on the internet. Now I've used these springs, and Sam's used these springs on the Audi. I use them on my race car. Decided, oh, bugger it, let's stick it on coilovers. was cheaper to buy coilovers than 3 springs from our local motor factors that we use. So yeah, really chuffed with that. The wheels from Rage shot blasting and powder coating. These lot here that are on the race car. Brilliant set of lads and lasses. They've done all the wheels, took them back, and they absolutely look like brand new. They've done the fronts and the backs. And Northallerton Tyre and Battery, they've stuck 4 new trainers on it, so it's got brand new tyres. So I was going to film doing all underneath this week, but it's one of them jobs that you don't want your cameras getting mucky, you don't want your mics really getting mucky, so we're all ready to start building up. Got all the calipers painted red. So I'll drop the ramp down, we'll have a look at what else we've got for it. That's a good one for Sam. Alright, we've got a pigeon in the garage there. That's Sam's pigeon. We've got all the carriers stripped down, clean, on a bench grinder with a wire wheel on, got them cleaned down, painted red. Got new coated discs and pads to go on the front, new set of candles, always good for a new set of spark plugs, full new timing belt kit, tensioners, that's all to go on. 4 new drop links, there's a couple who were knackered and one's actually snapped on the back. New oil filter, new fuel filter, new air filter, which I'm going to try and sneak an induction kit on, but don't sell some with like a bit of bop bop bop. Distant pads for the rear, oil for it, and a brand new battery. So all this gear is all going to be fitted, and hopefully by Wednesday we'll have all this done, and I'm hoping by next Saturday this car will be going for MOT. So you'll see it on Saturday. I'm hoping to get it booked in for Friday for MOT. That's where I'm pushing. So this Wednesday all these bits will be fitted, and then on Saturday, yeah, you'll see it all MOT'd and we'll be down the road in it. I've just said it now, so it's got to happen, hasn't it?
Moving on to the back brakes now. Similar sort of idea to the front. These have had very recent calipers on too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strip these down. Even though the discs look relatively new, the car has been stood 18 months. I'll strip it, clean all these carriers, paint the brake carrier and the caliper, clean everything off in here, satin black the back plate, brush all this stuff off in here. We'll have some wax oil on there as well. Notice as well there's a rubber split on the drop link. That is going to be an MOT fill, so I will be changing that.
Oh no, I've not got the seatbelt on. Oh. Let's go again. Right then, let's bring you up to speed. So the disc and pads are ordered, the cam belt's ordered, and all the service kits ordered that Sam spoke about. So that's fantastic. But throughout the day, it's even got better. So I need my notepad because I'm going to forget this. So I need to say a massive thanks to Springfield Garage, that's Mark, for putting up the MOT fee. Northallerton Tyre and Battery for supplying the tyres. Rage powder coating that are going to powder coat the wheels, and I have no idea what colour they're going to be. So they could be pink, they could be brown, they could be anything. So that will be a surprise to us. And TWS Constructions have chucked in £200, so thank you very much for that. The same as Forget Me Not Chocolate, they've donated 20 quid. There's a company that doesn't want to be mentioned, I understand why. They've chucked in 50 quid. So all that's going to go towards all the bits that we need to finish the car up. Also, from when this clip was just shown, there was Alan Evans that donated 100 quid, and Gail Kitchen, she chucked in a tenner as well to all the costs of getting the car ready. Let's continue taking a trip down memory lane. It's all finished now, all done. I'm filthy, covered in oil, as always. So I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's been involved. Mark at Springfield Garage for MOTing it, Donald at Northallerton Tyre and Battery for supplying and fitting the new tyres, Rage Powder Coating, everyone there for doing the wheels, TSW Construction for donating £200, Alan Evans of Thirsk for donating £100, Forget Me Not Chocolate for 20 quid, and 50 quid from the guy that does not want to be mentioned. So I hope you've enjoyed watching us with this one. So we'll get it chucked on eBay now, and all the money's off to the NHS. Colin here, and this is Shine Automotive. This could just be a quick update to say the MicroElectric 5 could be sold. We've had a chap that's hunted us down because we've been really busy, and we've had tons of people trying to get in touch with us. We've had so much going on, and we've replied to a few people and they've not got back in touch with us. But thanks for everyone that's tried to get in touch with us and that. So all we've got to do is, we've never put all the boot carpet back in and the boot liner. So we've just got the boot liner carpet, it's just a white round to put back in. I'll give it a wash and a polish again, and we'll see. It could be sold this afternoon, and then all the money will go to the NHS, and then the MicroElectric 5 will be out of here, and yeah, up and coming will be the MR2. So yeah, wicked, happy days. That's Sam, I'm Colin. If you've not seen the channel before, we're Shine Automotive. Hello. What we've decided to do as well is on the back, it looks far too low and we really struggle getting it on the ramp. So Sam's just going to adjust the suspension and lift it up. How much by Sam? About 10 mil, just to raise it up a little bit more, than it sits better. So yeah, let's get on with that. Yeah. Right, Colin here, some brilliant news. The MX5 is sold. The gentleman has paid all the money into the bank, So first thing Monday, I will be ringing up and making the payment over the phone, which you can all look out to. Don't think so. You're taking the cheque down, Colin. So as Mike Brew would do, hold out your hand, but because of everything now, we're going to have to do hold out your elbow. Thank you very much for buying the car. I really appreciate it. Pleasure. Right, cheers. How are you doing? So we're in the Michael X-Ray 5, not the Michael X-Ray 5 because we've sold that, and we're heading down to the hospital because we've got a cheque for £2,000. So we'll get down there now, give them the cheque, and then that's the end of the Michael X-Ray 5 for the NHS. Woohoo! How are you doing, Sam?
Michael X-Ray 5 finished.
Yes, it is. We're nearly at the hospital now. Woohoo! And we're at the hospital.
So you didn't look very happy. I'm hoping I might be able to get it up here.
Well, that's it. That's the MX5 sold and gone. So that's the end of this chapter. I hope you've really enjoyed watching it. We've raised some money, and thank you once again to everyone that's been involved making it happen. We've done our bit for charity, so I'm absolutely buzzing. So what's moving on with the channel now is we're doing the MR2, and that's going to be the 100 video upload special. We've got some news that we haven't told anyone about yet, so that's what we're going to be revealing of what we're going to be doing. So thanks for watching this one. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, have a beautiful time. Bye now.
Listen.